Hello guys, we are playing Roblox Build to Depending on when I'm playing it. I'm rich actually. I'm rich. I have a sweeper, lucky block, spider blocks headphone, and this last one. This 49% hat. It's actually rare. Check to the boiled lucky block shop. They're actually they're 49%. It's the same hat you saw. It's a 49%. Here it's a 49% hat. You see that golden hat? I have that. I am friends with rich people and poor people. I giving them secret. And I don't know how did I get this. How did I get some this? Because this spider block said bone just give to me. That's rare. I'm almost to Bijaran right now. I'm not almost to the leaderboard because the people have 65.3 million. Now up to now up to 451.4 million. That's rare. But I need that. I only have 1.6 million. I need to number one there. I'm in a private server now. Because I joined this, I'm going to get some secret here. Because there's no people in my server. Just joking. Is this is my friend. My friend make a private server. I joined it. Why the mic is not turning up? I'm too obedient. Now I'm more richer than Kuya Miggy. Kuya Miggy, mapapangit.